Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah says hard works of traditional artisans of Manipur have paid off with their unique handicraft items attracting worldwide attention. And National Health Mission, National Mental Health Program and Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch jointly observed 28th World Mental Health Day. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. One-day conclave of local crafts entrepreneurs, traditional artisans and craftsmen and MSMEs on promoting entrepreneurship and harnessing potentials of various geographical indications of Manipur was held at the Imperial Hall of Classic Grant in Chiang Mai today. Mission for Economic Empowerment of Traditional Artisans and Craftsmen, MITAC, Government of Manipur in association with PhD Chamber of Commerce Industries, the National Apex Chamber jointly organized a conclave. Speaking at the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah stated that traditional artisans of the handicraft industry of Manipur have been facing various inconveniences due to lack of adequate measures in promoting them, but now their hard work have paid off as their unique handicraft items have attracted attention of the world. She maintained that MITAC was established in 2018 to facilitate local artisans in marketing their products and to enable them to produce sustainable products desired by customers. Textiles Commerce Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit, experts from the PhD Chamber and the Ministry of Commerce and Industries attended the event. Resource persons highlighted on topics like Startup India and Stand Up India, government e-marketplace, GI registration and quality control during the technical session of the conclave.
The aim of the initiative is to revive the lives of artisans by developing entrepreneurship and competence among them. The project would concentrate on products development to capture the needs of the young generation, larger and higher-end markets with a special focus in export, new articles, collections and clothes line through products diversification in collaboration with well-known institutions like National Institute of Design, Central India Regional Council, Indian Institute of Packaging, etc. are being introduced.
Manipur observed the 28th World Mental Health Day at Jennings Auditorium today. National Health Mission, National Mental Health Program and Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch jointly organized observance. Speaking at the event, Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Manipur, Vumlanmang Valnam, declared that the state has now 81 health and wellness center. He assured that efforts are on to raise the number to around 200 to 300 centers. Vumlanmang maintained that the centers are equipped to be utilized for first phase mental health treatment at the community level. He stressed the need for timely intervention on mental health issue, which is one of the biggest issues of the state. Vumlanmang urged healthcare providers, doctors and medical experts to come up with practical solutions for treatment of mental health problems. The Principal Secretary also stressed on the need to spread more awareness on mental health problems and to seek medical help by those who are at risk. President of Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch, Dr. S. Manikantha, JNM's Director, Dr. T.H. Bhimu, Additional Director of Medical Care, Dr. P. Shyam Sundar, and doctors of RIMS and JNMs attended the event. Winners of the state-level symposium conducted on October 8 by NHM, National Mental Health Program and Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch were felicitated on the occasion.
Many of the persons who are affected, who need help, probably do not have that health-seeking behavior. So for the healthcare provider, for the doctor, for the specialist, who may be otherwise fully trained on the theories and the technical aspects, how do we reach out to them? Beyond the training and the academic matters, healthcare providers would need to find ways to be even more effective. Unless we are more alert, unless we avoid the trap of denial, justifying the odd behavior as being caused by something else, this intervention also has a high chance of failure. The kind of statistics which we are facing, I think, Probably even on this point, the identification, the helping hand, again, there is something more that can be done.
Ex-Union Minister Taunawjam Chauba has urged people to acknowledge the roles and contributions of farmers in supplying food for mankind. He was speaking at the distribution ceremony of agricultural inputs organized by KVK Bishnupur at its conference hall in Utlau today. Asserting that farmers are the real lifelines of society, T.H. Chauba said that the event aimed to facilitate farmers in doubling their income. Speaking on the sidelines, Vice-Chancellor of Manipur Technical University, Professor El Tombi, expressed disappointment at the state, which is famous for its unique art and culture, still lacks development in agriculture, horticulture and PC culture. He stressed the need to develop these sectors to bring prosperity in the state. Baby fishes, piglets, mustard, cabbage, mushroom and pea seeds were distributed at 60 beneficiary farmers of Oinam and Kumbi constituencies of Bishnupur district at the event.
Farmers state asigi country asigi maruoiba misak haktani oi doctors su engineers su haigre loinamak maruoi adu farmers hairibasi yaudaba yaroi sinjakni Karigino double the income 2022 da oinanaba farmer singbu puning thoganaba lairaba lehendanaba adugumba farmer amam oinanaba haidana Prime Minister Narendra Modi na hokdokpa adugumba program ni Prime Minister lokhalaiba se laira nangba nupi nupa khaidana miyamgi oiba ama paikhalakpani maramadana masida yabiu sugba institute se ngasidi lauthokpirame yam nungai jare akoine MPhil tawbam leitaba hoji MA aroiba thadore khoigi master thadori kangbu
JSC formed against the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School has warned of total band in Thangmaiban constituency on October 14th if the student's death case is not handed over to the CBI within 5 days. Speaking to media at Thangmaiban Thau Library today, JSC convener L. Gyaneshwari disclosed that the JSC members and other mother associations held a meeting yesterday and resolved to jointly strive to obtain justice for the deceased student. She demanded Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren to put into actions his assurances given to public on September 5th of urging Home Minister Amit Shah to hand over the case to the CBI. Gyaneshwari claimed that a special investigation team, SIT, formed to probe the case has been submitting false reports to the court to facilitate bail grant to the arrested persons in connection with the case. Gyaneshwari demanded replacement of the investigating officer.
CBI da sinabiu haidana hagibadu masi pauda Manipur sarkar na thausadana laithoi sumna dagi che ama khaktang application tharaga DOPT da taduna laire DOPT da taduna lairiba CSC sapu ma khoi Manipur sarkar na piraga CBI da sinabagi adugumba order do lagliba tang 16 October asi phawbagi manungda ekhoi miyam mamangda phanghan bidragadi bangi chintha leplaga ekhoina kholaw lawminaba haiba khongjang ase khoi jangsin ba horaga JSC amasung miyam na pamjaribidi SIT gi aranba investigation mayam thagatana hojik court aranba mayam ama pisaliba se masi lepiu amasung achumba SIT gi statement achumba singa do puthokbidona court thagatpiu loina na SIT gi aranba chaliba ayo se masi sindokpiraga achumba chatpa ayo ama thambiu.
A combined team of Technopol police led by DSP SL Kamkohau MPS and troops of 12 Assam Rifles has seized WY tablets worth around 90 lakh rupees in the international market near Palil yesterday. The combined team acted on a tip off and carried out frisking operation upon a suspicious individual riding a Kanda motorcycle coming from Technopol towards Palil at motor vehicle checkpost Technopol around 6 p.m. yesterday. The team seized 30,000 WY tablets in 150 packets from the drug peddler identified as Tongminlen Mate, son of Holkosei Mate from G. Gamnom village under Laisan, Technopol. The arrested person along with the seized items were handed over to Technopol police station for further necessary legal formalities. A combined team of Kukching District Commando and 26 Assam Rifles, including women police, also arrested a woman drug peddler in possession of 14,562 World is yours WY tablets on Aimol Road in Palel last evening around 5. The miscreant is identified as 33-year-old Muishim Maring, wife of Mosilfa Maring from Kambang Kulin in Tengnopal district, currently residing at Palel. She was handed over to Kakching police station for necessary investigations. Prescribed to United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur, UPRFM, in a press release, has called 18-hour statewide general strike from the midnight of October 14 till the midnight of October 15, condemning the merger of Manipur with the Indian Dominion on October 15, 1949, as a black day in the history of Manipur. Proscribed Red Army People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglei Park, Pre-Park Progressive, has observed its 43rd Raising Day. Impact News sources said the Raising Day was observed at the outfit's central headquarters, general headquarters and base areas, attended by top officers of the outfit. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of late members of the group, and message of the outfit chairman was read out on the occasion. And on that note, it's time after the break we bring you news on doubling of honorarium for 10 lakh ASHA workers by the Union Cabinet. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Afternoon News. Union Cabinet has doubled honorarium for 10 lakh ASHA workers from the existing 1,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees per month. Briefing media persons after the cabinet meeting, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said the government has also decided to provide other benefits to ASHA workers in addition to the hike in their monthly honorarium. Mr. Javadekar said the government will open 40,000 wellness centers across the country this year under Ayushman Bharat scheme. The government also announced 5% dearness allowance DA for central government employees and pensioners. Prakash Javadekar said it will benefit 50 lakh central government employees and 65 lakh pensioners. He described it as a Diwali gift from the government and added that this will be paid from July this year. Jammu and Kashmir government has announced to conduct 10th, 12th and college examinations from the last week of this month. It has asked the JK State Board of School Education, college and university authorities to ensure the conduct of all ensuing secondary 12th and university examinations before the onset of winters in Kashmir region. The directions were issued during separate review meetings held under the chairmanship of advisors to Governor Khurshid Ahmad Ghanai and Farooq Khan. The pending papers of the semester 4th 2017 batch students as well as semester 1st 2019 batch students will also be conducted from the last week of this month. The meeting also underlined the need of ensuring all facilitations to the students to enable them towards completing their courses within the stipulated academic calendars. It also formed that all the PG exams of the cluster university Srinagar shall be conducted in the first week of November this year, while as study material to all the undergraduate students of the university shall be issued through the principals of the respective constituent colleges from 15th of this month. And in sports news, India's Lavlina Borgohain in 69 kg and debutant Jamuna Boro in 54 kg march into the quarterfinals of the World Women's Boxing Championship with comprehensive victories in the pre-quarters at Ulan-Ude, Russia yesterday. Borgohain is last edition's bronze winner. Boro outpunched fifth-seeded Algerian Quitat Sof, an African Games gold medalist, in a unanimous verdict. The third-seeded Borgohain beat Morocco's Omaya Bel, which was also a 5-0 win. In the quarterfinals, Boro will take on Germany's Ursula Gottlob. Next up for Borgohain is sixth-seeded Karolina Kozłowska, and all 5 Indians have made to the quarterfinals of the mega event. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah says hard works of traditional artisans of Manipur have paid off with their unique handicraft items attracting worldwide attention. And National Health Mission, National Mental Health Program and Indian Psychiatric Society Manipur State Branch jointly observed 28th World Mental Health Day.